Have you ever found yourself struggling with constipation more often as you age? It's one of those frustrating issues that many people over 60 experience, yet no one really talks about it openly in everyday conversations. But here's the truth. Constipation isn't just a part of getting older that you have to accept without question. It's a sign that your digestive system needs the right support to function properly and maintain its natural rhythm. And the good news is that the solution isn't complicated or overly complex in any way. In fact, 99% of constipation can vanish when you start eating the right foods that promote healthy bowel movements and overall gut wellness. In this video, we're going to explore 5 specific foods that can get things moving naturally, helping to alleviate discomfort and restore balance to your daily routine. These aren't just any foods you might pick up randomly. They are powerful, fiber-rich, gut-friendly options that can help you stay regular without relying on harsh laxatives or uncomfortable remedies that often come with unwanted side effects. By the time we're done, you'll have a simple, effective way to improve digestion, reduce bloating, and feel better overall in your everyday life. Stay tuned until the end, because you might just discover that the key to better digestion isn't found in a bottle of pills from the pharmacy shelf. It's already in your kitchen, waiting to be incorporated into your meals. Now, let's get started with the first one on our list. Number 1. Prunes, nature's most powerful remedy for digestive issues. Prunes have been called nature's laxative for a reason, earning this reputation through generations of use in traditional remedies. These small, wrinkled fruits might not look like much at first glance, but they are one of the most effective and natural ways to relieve constipation without resorting to artificial interventions. Packed with fiber in a special compound called sorbitol, prunes work by drawing water into the intestines, softening stool, and making digestion easier and more efficient for the body to handle. If you've ever struggled with irregularity that disrupts your daily activities, adding prunes to your diet could be the simple, natural solution you've been looking for all along. Many people avoid prunes because they associate them with being an old-fashioned food from past eras. But here's the reality. They work, and not only do they work, but they also provide a gentle, natural way to get your digestive system moving without the discomfort that can come from over-the-counter laxatives, which might lead to cramps or other issues. Unlike medications that can cause cramping or dependency over prolonged use, prunes help your body regulate itself, making them one of the best long-term solutions for constipation that promote sustainable health habits. Take Henry, for example. He's 72 and had been dealing with chronic constipation for years, impacting his quality of life significantly. At first, he tried fiber supplements from various brands. Then he moved on to laxatives available at local stores, but nothing seemed to give him lasting relief that he could count on consistently. That is, until his doctor recommended prunes as a straightforward dietary change. Skeptical at first, Henry started eating just a few each day, incorporating them gradually into his routine. Within a week, he noticed a difference. His digestion felt smoother. He wasn't dealing with the discomfort of bloating that had plagued him, and best of all, he wasn't relying on medication anymore to manage his symptoms. That's the beauty of prunes. Just a few per day can make all the difference in how your body processes food and eliminates waste. You can eat them as they are for a quick snack, add them to oatmeal for a hearty breakfast, blend them into a smoothie for a refreshing drink, or even chop them up and mix them into a salad for added texture and flavor. However you choose to eat them, the benefits remain the same. Better digestion, fewer stomach issues, and more regularity that allows you to enjoy life without constant worry. If you've been struggling with constipation and haven't tried prunes yet, ask yourself, what do I have to lose? They're natural, effective, and easy to incorporate into any diet, whether you're following a specific eating plan or just eating intuitively. Give them a try, and you might be surprised at how quickly your digestive health improves. leading to increased energy and comfort throughout your days. Number 2, chia seeds, the tiny powerhouse for digestion that packs incredible benefits into a small package. Chia seeds might be small in size, but they pack a massive punch when it comes to digestive health, offering a concentrated source of nutrients that support the entire gastrointestinal system. These tiny seeds are loaded with fiber, specifically a type of soluble fiber that turns into a gel-like substance when mixed with liquid, creating a soothing environment in the gut. This unique property helps soften stool, making it easier to pass, and relieving constipation naturally without forcing the body into unnatural processes. If you've been struggling with sluggish digestion that leaves you feeling heavy and uncomfortable, chia seeds could be the simple, natural solution you've been overlooking in your search for relief. One of the reasons chia seeds are so effective is because of their ability to absorb water, expanding up to several times their size when hydrated properly. When you consume them, they expand in your stomach, creating bulk that helps move waste through your digestive tract in a smooth and efficient manner. Unlike fiber supplements that can be harsh on the stomach and cause initial discomfort, chia seeds work gently, helping your body regulate itself without discomfort or abrupt changes. They don't just get things moving, they also keep you feeling full, making them a great addition to any meal to prevent overeating and support weight management as a bonus. Take Margaret, for example. She's 69 and had been dealing with constipation on and off for years, alternating between periods of relief and frustration. She tried different fiber supplements, but they either didn't work well or caused bloating that made her feel worse. Then, a friend recommended chia seeds as an alternative approach. Skeptical, but willing to try, Margaret started adding a spoonful of chia seeds to her morning yogurt, mixing them in thoroughly. Within days, she noticed a difference. Her digestion felt smoother, she was more regular, and she no longer felt weighed down by bloating that had been a constant companion. That's the beauty of chia seeds. They're easy to incorporate into your diet and they work fast, providing noticeable results without much effort. You can sprinkle them on oatmeal for extra nutrition, mix them into smoothies for a creamy texture, stir them into water for a simple hydration boost, or even make a simple chia pudding by letting them soak overnight. The key is to let them soak in liquid before eating them. This allows them to expand and do their job effectively, maximizing their digestive benefits. If you've been looking for a simple, natural way to improve digestion, chia seeds might be exactly what you need to bring balance back to your system. They're small, tasteless, and easy to use, but their benefits are anything but small, extending to improve heart health and stable blood sugar levels as well. Now, let's move forward to the next one. Number 3, oatmeal, the gentle fiber that keeps you regular and supports long-term wellness. Oatmeal is one of the best foods you can eat for digestion, and if you're over 60, it should be a staple in your diet to maintain optimal health as you age gracefully. Unlike harsh fiber supplements or laxatives that can irritate the system, oatmeal provides a natural, gentle way to keep your digestive system moving smoothly without any aggressive interventions. It's packed with soluble fiber, which absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in your intestines, softening stool and making it easier to pass with minimal strain. If constipation has been a frequent issue for you, adding a simple bowl of oatmeal to your daily routine might be all it takes to feel better and regain control over your body's functions. One of the reasons oatmeal works so well is because of a specific type of fiber called beta-glucan, which has been studied for its positive effects on the body. This special fiber doesn't just help with digestion, it also supports heart health by lowering cholesterol, regulates blood sugar to prevent spikes, and keeps you feeling full longer to aid in portion control. And unlike some high-fiber foods that can cause bloating or discomfort due to their roughness, oatmeal is gentle on the stomach, making it an ideal choice for seniors looking to improve their gut health naturally and sustainably. Take Joe, for example. He's 74 and had been struggling with constipation for years, affecting his mobility and mood. He tried various remedies. Some worked temporarily, but most left him feeling bloated or uncomfortable in the process. Then, his doctor suggested something simple. Eat oatmeal every morning as a consistent habit. At first, Joe wasn't sure if something as basic as oatmeal could make a difference in his long-standing issue. But after a week of having a warm bowl for breakfast, he noticed a major change. His digestion felt smoother, he was more regular, and he no longer felt sluggish throughout the day, allowing him to enjoy activities more fully. That's the power of oatmeal. It's simple, natural, and incredibly effective at promoting regularity. And the best part? It's versatile, adapting to your preferences easily. You can make it sweet with fruit and honey for a dessert-like treat, or go savory by adding nuts and seeds for a nutty crunch. You can prepare it traditionally on the stove for a comforting ritual, microwave it for a quick meal on busy mornings, or even soak it overnight for an easy, no-cook breakfast that requires no heat. However you choose to eat it, the benefits remain the same: better digestion, more regularity, and a healthier gut overall that contributes to your well-being. If you've been searching for a natural way to relieve constipation, oatmeal might be the easiest solution yet, offering comfort and nutrition in one bowl. It's a comforting, satisfying meal that supports your digestive system without any effort at all, making it a go-to option for daily health maintenance. Number 4, sweet potatoes. The delicious way to stay regular while enjoying flavorful meals. Sweet potatoes aren't just a delicious comfort food that evokes warm memories. They're one of the best natural remedies for constipation, combining taste with therapeutic properties. Packed with fiber, water, and essential nutrients, they work to keep your digestive system running smoothly without the need for harsh laxatives or medications that might disrupt your routine. If you're looking for a simple, tasty way to improve digestion, sweet potatoes might be the perfect solution to integrate into your weekly menu. What makes sweet potatoes so effective? It all comes down to their high fiber content, especially insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to stool and helps move waste through your intestines in a natural flow. Unlike some fiber-rich foods that can be rough on the stomach and cause initial upset, sweet potatoes provide a gentle, soothing effect, making them ideal for seniors who want a natural way to support gut health without any harshness. Plus, they're loaded with water, which helps keep everything hydrated and moving properly, preventing dryness that can exacerbate issues. Take Eleanor, for example. She's 71 and had been dealing with constipation for years, trying various approaches to find relief. She tried drinking more water to stay hydrated, taking fiber supplements as recommended, and even using over-the-counter laxatives from time to time, but nothing gave her lasting relief that endured. Then, she read about the benefits of sweet potatoes in a health article and decided to give them a try as an experiment. She started adding a serving to her meals a few times a week, sometimes baked for simplicity, sometimes mashed for creaminess, sometimes roasted for crispiness. Within days, she noticed a difference. Her digestion felt smoother, she was more regular, and she no longer felt that uncomfortable bloating she had dealt with for years on end. That's the power of sweet potatoes. They don't just help with digestion. They also provide a steady source of energy, essential vitamins like vitamin A and C, and antioxidants that support overall health and immune function. And the best part? They're incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet, fitting seamlessly into various cuisines. You can bake them whole for a side dish, roast them in cubes for salads, mash them as a substitute for regular potatoes, or even blend them into soups for a velvety texture. They're naturally sweet, making them a delicious addition to any meal, whether savory or slightly indulgent. If you've been struggling with constipation and haven't tried sweet potatoes yet, now is the time to explore their potential. They're tasty, nutritious, and one of the simplest ways to keep your digestive system on track, enhancing both health and enjoyment of food. Now, let's move forward to the last one. Number 5. Kefir, the gut-friendly drink that restores digestion and promotes microbial harmony. If you're looking for a natural, effortless way to improve digestion and relieve constipation, kefir might be the answer you've been seeking in your quest for better health. This fermented dairy drink is packed with probiotics, healthy bacteria that help balance your gut and keep things moving smoothly through the digestive tract. Unlike fiber supplements that can take time to work and build up in the system, kefir starts improving digestion almost immediately, making it one of the best foods to add to your routine for quick and lasting effects. What makes kefir so effective? It's all about the probiotics that thrive in this tangy beverage. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and when they're out of balance due to diet, stress, or age, digestion slows down, leading to constipation, bloating, and discomfort that can affect your daily life. But kefir introduces beneficial bacteria that restore balance, break down food more efficiently, and help waste move through your system with ease. The result? More regular bowel movements, less bloating, and better overall gut health that radiates to other aspects of well-being. Take Walter, for example. He's 75 and had been struggling with constipation for years, no matter what adjustments he made. No matter what he ate, he always felt sluggish and uncomfortable, impacting his energy levels. He tried increasing fiber through various foods, drinking more water to aid hydration, and even using laxatives occasionally as a last resort. But nothing gave him lasting relief that he could rely on. Then his doctor suggested adding kefir to his diet as a probiotic boost. Skeptical, but willing to try, Walter started drinking a small glass every morning, making it part of his routine. Within a week, his digestion had completely changed. He was more regular, his stomach felt lighter, and for the first time in years, he wasn't constantly thinking about his digestion or planning around it. That's what makes kefir so special. It works from the inside out, nurturing the microbiome. It doesn't just treat constipation in the short term. It helps rebuild gut health so that digestion stays smooth and effortless over time, preventing recurring problems. And the best part? It's easy to add to your diet without much fuss. You can drink it straight for a probiotic shot, blend it into a smoothie for flavor variety, or pour it over cereal or fruit for a breakfast enhancement. If you've been dealing with digestive issues and haven't given kefir a try, this might be the missing piece in your health puzzle. It's simple, natural, and incredibly effective at restoring balance to your gut, leading to improved vitality. Final thoughts. As we wrap up this video, take a moment to reflect on the 5 powerful foods we've discussed in detail. Constipation after 60 doesn't have to be something you just accept as an inevitable part of aging. It's something you can take control of through mindful choices. The key isn't relying on quick fixes or over-the-counter solutions that offer temporary band-aids. It's about giving your body the right tools to work naturally and efficiently. And these 5 foods do exactly that, providing fiber, hydration, and probiotics in accessible forms. What stood out to you the most? Which of these foods have you already tried in your own life? And which ones do you plan to add to your diet to experiment with their effects? Maybe you've been eating oatmeal, but never realized how much it supports digestion beyond just being filling. Maybe you've been skeptical about kefir, but now see how beneficial it can be for gut flora. Or maybe this video gave you the push you needed to finally start adding more fiber-rich, gut-friendly foods to your meals on a regular basis. Your thoughts are important, so consider how these changes could fit into your lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video where we explore more ways to enhance health naturally.